Ma'am?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Hear you. Open losers of the day. This is good. My average price is $3.91, and I wanted to get down so I can get out of my shares. It did start to come back up, but relatively speaking, it's down lower, which is good. This had come up a good amount. We're looking at this area, this 5 area that we talked about. So hopefully this can tank. It got to 395 low. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. We are starting to trend up. But I don't think this is gonna do fantastic. Still losing money. Yes, it did beat earnings by 3. I don't know what this is. Why didn't say the price here? To me, this looks bad, but that's just me. You estimate 2.68 billion, and you get 3.12 billion in revenue. But hey, whatever. Anyway, we'll just hope it comes down. Intel, I think you still have this, and it did go down. So
yes, I think I will get rid of it.
I think, but it's actually doing good. It's 32, so no, da 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 da. Oh, EB Nike. We said this was gonna start trending down. I have wanted it to hit that 100. That's where I like to start looking at it. I like it under 100, but it at least has to hit 100. So we'll see what happens. Either way, I don't plan on trading it like that unless it gets like low. Favorite day, EBC. It did go down somewhat after it had got up to the high or mid 12s, and today was just a down day, so my shares are down. So for winners, we got Square, Meta, yeah, Twitter came up, went down a little bit, but the base stayed high. Yeah, it's the very forte.
It's going to hit it.
Yeah, so we'll reevaluate once it gets to 3, and then see what we're at for the 350.
You're correct, Ho.
Now I can't play with you now. Give me my thing. Google. Let's see. It's doing good. You know, as usual. $3, a little bit over $3. It went up. I like it. It's kind of like Meta, actually.
I was about to say it went just like Meta, but Meta was stronger.
And nothing else to mention of BA, and not really much going on. Just barcoding. It's been doing this since the beginning of the year, basically. But it may come up, get out of this area. 15 cents for Americano. It is strong. It hit one of our areas. Has a little bit ways to go, $2 more or so. But yeah, if we had held on to it, we'd be Rico.
Say that again.
Apple is doing good as always. They were promoting it to keep going up higher past the 192, and that's great. I love it. But at the same time, I think that we are due for a breakdown, and this seems too extra for me. But that's just me. So, hey, what do I know? I'm a nobody.
I don't disagree with you, and I think they're gonna make it go as high as possible. And when people are like in it, like debt in, especially the latecomers, that's when they're gonna pull the rug. As always.
Yeah, I guess so.
And you're gonna have to
AMD,
you're either gonna have to short it or short it. But you can't get in it on that high unless it's just one day trade KAT. It's too risky to get it and just like hold on to it. You kind of either have to short it because you know it's gonna go down, or that's it, or just wait.
AMD, it's come down, it's starting to come back up. Today was kind of like a wishy-washy day to me. I felt it was kind of weak personally, but
He
let's
was
see what happens
shorting it.
tomorrow. Yeah.
Bozos was shorting it.
Yeah, but they were kind of thinking it would go long too, so we'll see.
Yeah, initially. Well, it didn't say in the sticky note. It was just kind of like we didn't know which direction it was gonna go.
Amazon, this one has continued to come up. We're barcoding a little bit here. It's kind of like it came down, made this bowl shape. We could expect potentially to get back up here and $15 more and then decide what we're gonna do.
Can we look at contracts for this just as a test?
Put in the notes. Well, this went down, even though EBC went up. I read not interested in.
Well, EBC went down though.
Oh, I thought it went. Oh yeah,
It went down.
yeah. So I guess this is in line. But I'm really not interested in this. Campbell's. Just wait till his rock bottom. This is it's still summer, so you can't get this too high. Dollar General is on hard buy. I really don't care. I'd like to see it fill the gap first. Disney, the Bozos was shorting. Somebody was shorting Disney. I just want to stay away from Disney. It's too much drama going on now with them. It's just way too much drama. Dollar Tree. Okay. It's filling its gap, like we have said before. So we still haven't got here. Put this in the notes again, Elisa. We still haven't got into this or even really looked at it. But this is a really good. It's a really good option for a good $10. If someone just wants to wait a few days. So you got that. We talked about EBC. Googly. Nothing really for me here. Haven't been trading it. We did a little bowl here. So maybe it will hang out here for a little bit and then get up to here. So we still got some ways to go. You got another $20, $30 or close to it. Home Depot has kind of just did its own thing. It's still above 300. I'm not looking at it or thinking about it or touching it at that price. Coca-Cola, it stays in that $60 range. Coca-Cola. Macy's. It is going up slightly. It's getting there. Mickey D's. I was gonna say, did it hit? Oh no, it didn't hit. Okay. What's this,
I
23?
guess there's no stopping it.
Yeah. Moderna. Softy. So Softy is doing whatever it wants to do, kicking ass and taking names. And yeah, it's back up here again at the 340 area. It went past it today. And it's just doing its own thing. So
Can we look at the minute?
it's kind of
Okay,
wild, but it did.
okay.
It went up,
So,
kind of stayed elevated. Nike, we talked about open. It was very negative. I was happy with open. I almost got positive with that. P-time came down a little bit. I still have 798 as my average. And just trying to get it down. So I'm hoping that we get there.
somebody want a little extra.
Oh, I told you. Huh?
Me too.
That's why I
Me too.
didn't want to get out. I told you.
Yes, I understand.
It go a little extra. Tarjay is still fumes from the issues it's been having. So it's still down in the gutter here. Nothing to be done about it. Oops. It went down today. And of course, so you're looking at about close to $2. Taco, still hard to buy. I don't know what this is doing. I just don't want to deal with it. It does its own thing. Stressful. So Stressful is doing the damn thing, and it's going up. I think it's fair to say it will probably reach this 300 fairly easily. And then we'll just go from there. I think it's really strong, so I think it's gonna get honestly past the 300. It's gonna get back to its 52-week highs, So if we get to 4, and then let's see how it drops. But so, but hey, it is a good. Let me see. What did it do today? Let's see. What is this? $6. So it wasn't that. It kind of went up. You could have made your money, got out and made your money, your $4. But then a lot of people thought it was going to keep going up more. So it went back down. So then you could have shorted it and made $4. And then watched it go back up, basically. So you could have did long, short, long, a little baby short if you wanted to, and then long again. I think that's why people keep going in it, because if you just hold on to it the way it moves, you just make the dinero back. It's just up, down, up, down. Uber, I think overall Uber's higher than normally.
Yes, I was disappointed because I thought it was gonna go down
Yeah.
to my price, and then it didn't, and then I was kind of upset, but hopefully it will go down mañana.
Yeah, it's good for sure. Uh, and then we have the wonderful Walmart. I really have nothing to say about Walmart. It did this little jump up. I really have nothing to say. I don't like shorting this at all. So I don't like. I can't say I don't like shorting. I don't like doing anything with this at all. Like literally nothing. That is MU. Five, who cares? Good. It's Pence. BJ's, I guess, was okay. BJ's is coming back up. I don't think it's gonna really start filling its gap.
It's a gap there, yeah.
As we get into the summer. This was quarter what? 1 or 2? Quarter 1, quarter 2. Let's see. January, February, March, April, May, June. Yeah. Things should start to die down now. But hey. And then we have, let's see. ASO is still ridiculous.
No commentary.
We are getting a little turn here, but hey. Let's check out your buddy bud. And both April and bud is on hard to buy.
I think it's gonna hit that 55.
Yeah, it's probably will. Yeah.
Do you have a notification?
Nah. You want to put one?
I have like a billion, and
Yeah, I have a lot too. So I guess you don't. I'm not big on trading. It's like that. Yeah.
I never traded it.
Yeah,
I'm
I
just
know.
saying we have. I'm just saying we have
I bought it
identified.
once recently. I bought it once.
Mm.
Oh, oh, what am I saying? What did I do? That was stupid. Come on, listen. Um, Duke Energy. Sometimes I look at this, but I don't really want to. Hog. Okay, 93 cents for 35. Alright. I don't think I have anything for this.
What about your
SML.
Rivian? Your Rivian.
I know you like Caro, so we'll show that. That thing is
Even
so terrible.
your
Uh,
Riviano.
that it's probably against what you wanted to do. Netflix. They love Netflix today. My God, Netflix. What did I have? 500 for the next one.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's the target.
Okay. Um, Rubia. Obviously, this was upgraded. Oh, but it did a nice gap up. So it's kind of like, I agree. This was a great short today. I absolutely agree. That was the best thing you could have did. But you did eventually expect it to come back up, which it did. Not as high as it was up in the pre-market, but it did. Now the question is, will it go back down to the mean because it did this big gap up the other day, or if it's going to continue going up? So this is a good, just from the past few days, it's basically $4, you know. So are we going to get up to here? It's 22 or what?
Based on the post market, at least today, it looks like it's still going a little bit slightly up, but
Yeah,
we'll have to see. We have to see if tomorrow's a down day or not.
but it is trending up. You're right.
So,
That's
yeah.
all I have. I know you
Hmm.
want to look at an option. Uh,
Yes.
which one is it?
Amazona.
I don't know why we were looking at this one, but okay. So what do you want
It's
to?
just a test. It's just a test.
So what's your numbers? What do you want to see here?
So we think it's gonna go up to that high peak. So 150.
145.
Yeah, 145.
Okay, so $15.
Mm-hmm.
All right, 145.
15 dollars. We'll say September.
Let's see.
Well, let's see. It could take a couple of weeks.
Let's see.
Look at it on a weekly.
9,
Just
yep,
look at it on a weekly.
8. So that's 15 days that it took the last time. So I know you want to pick more than 2 weeks just to be on the safe side for yourself. Let's
Yes.
see. Well, we're here. Plus, we'll call this the 0.6. This point, it took 2 months. So, so yeah, 6, 7, 8, 2.5 months. So at least give ourselves 3 months.
September.
Oh, you want September? Do September. All right. So,
Well, 3 months is 90 days. So it actually would be more than that.
so what do you want, September or more?
Well, let's start with September. See what
So
precios they
we're saying 130, and we're going up. So that's gonna be. Is the right price?
go 130 strike price.
Why are they going all the way up here?
130.
All right,
So
$845. So you spend $845, and then we're gonna cash out. If it's 145, that's 15 times 100. So that's what
1,500.
1,500. And minus the 845, you end up getting $615. So
655.
I'm sorry.
655.
Yes, sorry. So you end up getting 655. Um, that's not bad,
Yeah,
you
okay.
know.
Let's look at the so the things he would let's say so let me look at so the spread is good, it's decent, and there's a lot of open interest.
Mm-hmm.
When you look at the spread between the bid and the ask, it's just 15 cents kind of difference. And he says if it's between 10 cents or under is good. And
Okay.
if you have a lot of open
So this
interest,
is bad because
yes, it's not bad though. It's not bad. The spread is not like, like it's not extra.
uh-huh,
And he likes the volume to be about 1K or more, but if it has a lot of open interest of 1K or more, that's great.
uh-huh.
So that's not a bad, it's not too bad of a option. Let's look at the 1/3, let's see.
People like
The one,
this 120 price better. A lot more interest.
yeah, but so you would be out of the money already.
Why would you be out of the money?
Let me see. Oh no, so 120, you're right, because if you're already at 120, you'll be making more than that. So 120 to 145, right?
Yeah, so that's what 25,
$25,
2,500
2,500,
minus 1490 is what?
1,490,
$1,010.
1,490, $1,010, correct. The spread is 20 cents. The delta is decent. The volume is decent. The open interest is amazing. Um, the spread is not that great,
Uh,
but the delta is good, and open interest and volume are awesome.
uh,
Okay, let's look at the October 20. This is a good practice just because I was gonna buy it in the simulator just to see what would happen.
uh,
Um, but the sim is not working at the moment, and so I just wanted to see what the dealio.
so we got 120. Let's see, they got one. 30. Probably let's see,
130.
15 is
15
bigger.
is a 15-cent spread, which is higher than 10. So
Alright,
that's not that good. But the volume and the open interest are very good. And if we were to do what did we say? 1,500, but this one we would lose more money. So 1,500
so
minus
495.
mm,
So 495, um, but you get the extra time, you get over 3 months.
yes. What did we say the other one was? Over 600, right?
This one was 655
Okay, so 655.
uh, versus 495. But I'd
So
rather have the extra time.
yeah, so it would be a difference of $160. But you would get an extra month.
Yeah, let's do this. 1200, then you get 300. Not too much going on here. Let's do the 120.
It's
Not
expensive.
as much. Yeah, most people, it seems like, are over here. They're either here or here. I probably want to take at least until. It's kind of like a fine line because if this expires,
When is earnings?
well, right now, because
Okay,
July,
so this would be
August,
after earnings.
September, October, August, September, October. So you'd probably be looking at October before you could. So you probably want at least here. So
Mm-hmm.
this probably would be a good one to have.
Yeah, you get more tempo.
And you're closer to the next earnings.
Okay.
So
All right, so yeah, that was the test. We'll continue to do a couple of tests like that once in a while.
it's not a bad thing to buy.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it in the simulator.
Uh-huh.
Um, just because I'm a little bit stretched right now, but I want to start kind of doing that kind of test to see how I do with the option. So
You copy the notes or you want me to copy, I guess, since I have to do this thing.
it's only, yeah, copy the notes because then you're gonna put it in the commentario summary, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. So yeah, we should try to go back to reviewing once, at least one option every once in a little bit and stuff like that. It's good. It's good for the mind.
You forgot EBC.
Oh, okay, let me add it.
I added it already. Um, so that's that. Uh Anything else we got? I'm putting myself on mute. Is there anything else we got?
No,
I thought you had a big bird costume on. A new
there's nothing,
slushie? A
there's
plushie?
nothing, there's nothing that I have tonight.
Uh, what's Solaris? I like that plushie.
You know who's we
He's
have a
kind of,
collection, we have a collectionist here who has a million of these things.
oh, how was I'm about to say boot camp for Hente.
Boot camp was good. No
Uh-huh.
complaints.
Hence's not complaining about boot camp.
He's not. He said he did low ropes today.
Oh, so he's kind of like excited now.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So Hence's getting used to things.
Yes, I'm even surprised.
Okay, good.
But I think he'll be happy come Saturday.
Oh, because he'll be like finito.
He'll be finito and others will come.
Oh, I see. So he won't be as bored.
And then he won't be in my bed anymore.
Yeah, but he still will be. He'll just be doing. He's more like an only child. And
Yes,
then
but
we do have boot camp all day, so that kind of like takes up a good time, a good amount. You know,
mhm.
that's like a full 8 hours boot camp. So I'm just saying, it's something. It's better than nothing. You know, Solaris. You know, I'm just telling
Yes. I think it'll be okay. He'll be happy come Saturday. I know this.
you. All right. And have you spoke to the other hints who are at their boot camp?
No, there's no communication unless they send a postcard.
Oh, so they don't like call. They don't get like a call a week or something like that
They
from their
only You can only communicate via postcard.
man. So you didn't even get a postcard.
Yeah, they probably didn't buy one or like they're like whatever. Because
They
I
don't know what.
assume I assume everything's fine because I haven't gotten a phone call
Yeah,
and
they don't know what snail mail is.
yeah, so
Uh-huh.
they'll be all right.
Yeah, of course. I'm just
It's
saying.
almost over.
Yeah, yeah. 2 weeks goes by quick.
They have to go to Hitler come Monday.
Uh Jesus, like full time, or this is just summer school.
Monday through Thursday until Agosto.
So it's summer school.
Yeah, it's just 1 month though.
Normal time, like to 4 p.m.
8 to 4:30.
Man, they don't play.
I told you.
Hitler doesn't play.
Hitler's like that.
Okay?
Where's
I,
uh where's Nella?
I don't. Oh,
Nella. That she's
she's not done.
man, she looked like she's beat up.
Yeah, she ate a lot of carne the other day and was out in the rain and sun.
It looks like you injected her. She's like knocked out, like she has a like a tranquilizer.
Yeah, we had to put the nice cover on. We didn't let her get on the sofa yesterday because it was for the gentes. So
And where's Mr.
he,
Master P?
Master P is um outside in the backyard or something like
Mm-hmm. I see the gate from far away.
that. Oh yeah,
Looks like you have organized. It looks
oh yeah. Trust me. You can't see the dust and how I even wipe down the walls and stuff. It looks much better.
Miss
Yeah.
Rosa must have been like, okay, it's looking like a decent house.
No, because I think she likes to have a lot of stuff around, like
Mm-hmm.
a lot of like things in the house.
Yes.
So it's kind of like she keeps her home very clean, but she has a lot of things around.
Okay. So this thing is about to die, but my
Yeah,
mom's the opposite. She likes to
yeah.
have
I generally don't, but hey, when you live in Rome and when you live with Romans, you gotta kind of deal with Romans.
unless you killed.
Yeah, so that she kills them and take over. So, no,
Anyway, have a good night. I will talk to you mañana. Good luck.
peace out, Solaris.